Bonk was the one that started this whole meme coin run, and you can't argue with that. And you should definitely pay attention to the coins like these who are providing hope for the entire ecosystem. I mean, how can you fade this? And Bonk is about to break all-time highs, and you'll see why in this video. Today I'll be talking about Bonk on BTCC exchange, and you should definitely see this video through on what is my reasoning for buying Bonk. If you're interested, well then let's head straight into the video. So here we are on BTCC exchange. We're currently looking at Bonk USDT pair, and I am interested in buying this today. Why? Well, because there are a few reasons. I only recently started to understand that the whole meme coin space bull run started by this exact meme coin. When Solana was down from the FTX liquidations, I mean, Solana was sitting at $9, and Bonk was the one who gave the whole ecosystem hope. It was one of the first meme coins which were created then, and it has been doing wonders ever since then. From the previous bull run, it's still a bit stagnant, but I mean, this is the year that meme coins are going to be running, and Bonk will not be missing out on the bull run. Why? Well, because just simply looking at the chart here, we can see that we're on a really good bullish pattern here. I mean, we're growing slowly, but we're definitely growing. And we can see that from November, we have had an insane surge in price from $1.8 billion in market cap straight to $5.7 billion in market cap. Currently, we're sitting on $3 billion in market cap, and we can see that we're on the rage to break this all-time high for Bonk. I think the bottom for Bonk was in right here at this exact point, and from here it's only upwards. We can see that we're literally continuing this bullish pattern up and down yearly, and you can't even argue with that. Why? Because we can see we're breaking highs and we're holding bottoms, and it's only a matter of time before we break this top two, retrace, and break this top two. So what's my exact strategy trading Bonk? Well, it's of course using leverage on BTCC exchange. Why? Because they provide very lucrative leverage, as we can see right here. They provide up to 50x leverage, and what will I be doing is of course waiting for the price to break all-time high, and on the dips right here, as I have done so far, allocate small positions with leverage so I can catch the bottom. So my currently average price is right around here, and just small allocations with high leverage on each of these dips will allow me to catch the exact bottom. And once the price pushes through, again the same point, just wait for the dips and allocate small positions with leverage on the dips, and of course take profits once the price starts pumping, which will allow me to take off my partials and keep my backs for the coin to go ahead and reach 10, 20, 50 billion dollars in market cap, as I believe it will, just because it has very nice potential. On coin market cap, you can also see that they are listed on very nice exchanges. I mean, they're listed on almost every possible exchange there is. The current circulating supply is 82%, and we can see that the currently market cap is $3 billion, and I do expect to see $10 billion this year for sure. We can also see that the market sentiment for Bonk Coin 87% bullish, and I will press bullish myself also. But going back again, we can see that the price is slowly breaking through the dips. It's breaking structure, and of course it's turning bullish, and we can start to expect an uptrend right from here, breaking the all-time high very easily. Again, the strategy is simple. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how to use leverage on BTCC, well, you will only have to comment down below this video, and I'll make sure to bring it to you guys. But it's very simple. Again, allocate with high leverage, small positions, allocate on dips, and just try to catch the bottom. Also, again, Bonk Coin is very stable. It has solidified a very nice floor, and we can see that the floor is right here. It's always pushing back from this huge demand zone or support zone, call it whatever you want, from right here. So even if the Bonk Coin does not move, I mean, we can definitely expect to hold it right here before it pushes again, but I do believe that it will break through this all-time high very soon. So let me know what you personally think of it. I do believe that Bonk Coin will be outperforming all of the meme coins very soon, just because of the sentiment, just because of its history. And let me know if you believe so too. Let me know if you have any Bonk Coin, and again, I do appreciate whatever you guys are commenting down below. But thanks for tuning in to more videos, and as always, I'll make sure to catch you with the next one.